What's up, everybody? I've been having a good time playing with my 3D printed tank, and I want to expand it a little bit, so thinking about adding this Nerf dart turret to the top of it. See how big the base is, put it up there. This project, FDL-1, starts as a revolver kind of style, fully automatic Nerf dart launcher for Nerf mega darts, and then you kind of take the handle off and you can make this other piece that is the turret. So I've spent about a week printing out all of those parts. There's a cover, I think, that goes over here. I haven't done the cover. I haven't done any of the handle parts yet, but I think I have all of this stuff. I think I can build the barrel and the drum and everything. So here's the revolver. Pretty large Nerf darts go in there. There's a plunger. Stepper motor is going to push that out of the barrel. And when it comes out of the barrel, these quadcopter motors are going to power the dart out of the gun through these flywheels and out the end of this barrel here. So I've got enough stuff to start assembling. I have just about all the electronics. I'm missing like the IR sensor and the micro switches, but I've got all the small pieces, all of the mechanical pieces for the body, all ready to go. So start putting it together. Right, back about an hour later. Don't have all the electronics, like I said, switches, IR sensors, a couple of other things. I also found that this stepper is a little too long, so it's not letting this come all the way up. So I'm gonna have to dig around, see if I have something a little bit shorter to fit in there. But this is what it's looking like so far. Underneath here, we've got an inches scale, about 15 inches long. Pretty heavy so far. I don't know, break out a scale and weigh it or something if I wanted to, but I'd say at least 2 or 3 pounds already. Cool, got a little bit more work to do, but I think that's enough for today. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Peace.